Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another in-depth update on the precious metals market. Today is January 15th, 2026, and the bull run in gold and silver is showing incredible strength with fresh records being set almost daily. Let's dive straight into the latest numbers and what's driving this momentum. As of right now, spot silver is trading around $92 per ounce, after touching a new all-time high near $93.50 earlier today. That's down just slightly from yesterday, but still reflects massive gains, up over 45% in the past month alone, and a staggering 200% plus compared to this time last year. Gold, the steady leader, is holding firm at approximately $4,600 per ounce, with recent peaks above $4,630 and a year-to-date climb of about 7%, on top of last year's explosive 65% surge. Why is this happening? The fundamentals are rock solid and getting stronger. Silver remains in its fifth consecutive year of structural supply deficit, with demand outpacing mine production by hundreds of millions of ounces annually. Industrial consumption is exploding. Think solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, AI hardware, and clean energy tech. Reports highlight physical shortages. Premiums in Shanghai are soaring with force majeure risks. Metal is disappearing into China and India, and liquidity is tight in London. This isn't hype, it's a real squeeze. Many analysts, including those from gold, silver, and retail surveys, see silver as the outperformer again in 2026, with targets ranging from $100, Citigroup by March, to $150, or even higher in optimistic scenarios. Some wilder views push toward triple digits firmly, driven by this persistent tightness. Gold's story is more about classic safe haven appeal. Central banks keep buying aggressively, averaging strong quarterly inflows, while geopolitical tensions, trade wars, regional conflicts, Iran uncertainties, fiscal deficits, a softer US dollar outlook, and diversification away from traditional currencies fuel demand. Major forecasts are bullish. JP Morgan eyes $5,000 plus by year-end 2026. HSBC sees potential spikes to $5,050 in the first half before any deeper corrections, and others like Goldman Sachs and UBS cluster around $4,900 to $5,055 averages. The combination of policy uncertainty and investor flows into ETFs, bars, and coins is keeping the momentum alive. Now, for viewers in India, especially here in Bihar and Patna, this global rally hits close to home. Gold in India has surged past 1.44 lakh rupees per 10 grams in many regions, 24 carat around 14,400 rupees per gram, driven by festive demand, wedding seasons, and rupee weakness against the dollar. Silver is trading at roughly 2,90,000 rupees per kilogram or higher. Higher import costs mean pricier jewelry and investments locally, but it also makes these metals an even stronger hedge against inflation, currency depreciation, and economic volatility in India. Physical demand from buyers here is actually draining global supplies further, adding more upside pressure, especially for silver, which India and China are absorbing heavily. Of course, no rally is without risks. Volatility is high. Short-term pullbacks could come from profit-taking, margin hikes on futures like recent CME adjustments, or if supply tightness eases later in the year. But the long-term outlook stays bullish. Structural deficits for silver, ongoing central bank and investor demand for gold, and macro tailwinds like potential rate cuts and global uncertainties. Whether you're stacking physical silver coins, gold bars, watching ETFs, or just monitoring for investment opportunities, 2026 looks like another potential breakout year. Silver could deliver bigger percentage gains as the poor man's gold catches up, while gold provides that reliable stability. What are your thoughts? Do you think silver breaks $100 soon, or is a bigger correction on the horizon? Are you buying physical in Bihar right now? Drop your predictions in the comments, smash that like button if you're bullish on precious metals, subscribe for more daily/weekly updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss an alert. Stay smart, stay invested. See you in the next video. Word count, approximately 650.